Hello everyone. I'm just want to quickly put this quick video on because I'm not going to be able to do live streaming this evening because I'm on a retreat. So Auntie Mabel is on a retreat. So please bear with me. I'm really sorry that I was so busy prior to leaving for the retreat. Obviously, I was busy with work and every other thing. So I was meant to put an announcement out that I was, and actually I didn't really want to be obliged to try and record as much as possible during the retreat. I just wanted the opportunity to just chill. So but today, a lot of people have been receiving, the few times I've been around where there was network, I've been receiving a lot of messages from people saying they didn't receive my notification and checking up on me if I was okay. So I just decided I should quickly put out this video to let you guys know that I'm on a retreat. I'm really sorry if the rest of this video, if the volume is not loud enough, because I recorded that clip as a reflection in a prayer garden. I'm still in the prayer garden. It's a bit less quiet. There's really no one here. Probably this intro is a bit louder than the rest of the video. Obviously, please bear with me. Try and put your volume on for as high as possible just to hear it. So obviously I'm in the prayer garden, so you should understand that. And it's a retreat. So I'm just trying to retreat and just enjoy it and reflect and have a reflective moment. But obviously, what better way to do this than to take you, my dear friends, along, because you have been part of this journey with me, haven't you? So please bear with me, and I'll be back next Saturday, and even better after I have retreated. Obviously, I'm going to be in a more refreshed, refueled mode, so I can share more, probably share more. There are a lot of clips and other things I'm not going to be able to include in this because we have activity in about 15 minutes, and I just didn't want people wondering what was wrong with me, if I was okay, why I'm not on live streaming, and I didn't leave any message. A few people have already contacted me, and those of you who've contacted me worried what was wrong, if I was okay. I am okay. I'm just retreating. So thank you guys, and please watch the rest of this clip and just see my see the Auntie Mabel's reflective mode. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Please leave me comment as usual, and I'll be praying for you all, my subscribers and my friends and families, members that I have now made on this YouTube street. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of this video and tell me what you think of Auntie Mabel's reflective personality. I'm at the part of the Ashburnham Retreat Center. This is the prayer garden, and it's been very busy here all day, so I've just come back here. It's around 5:30 and it's a little bit quiet here, so I just feel I should have opportunity to catch up with you guys and just reflect on how this weekend's retreat has been going for me. It's actually been very good. Today is the second day, Saturday evening. We arrived yesterday and we are leaving on Sunday. So it's been a very reflective time for me, and I'm here with my husband and my church members. So there are about 60 something of us, including children and youth and young people. So the talk has been very good. Every part of the retreat has really been good. This afternoon we went on a walk in the woodland. As you all know, me and my walks in the woodlands, and there's a lovely lake that's actually very on the grounds here. There's so many lovely things to see. There's part of the lake where the young people can do the canoeing. Some people can swim in the lake, And I have a clip of all of that I'll be showing you guys as I go along on this video. If I haven't showed in the previous video, I'll try and show as much of it as possible. So the time at this prayer garden is really a reflective time for me, and I'm really, as I'm sitting here, I wish you can see the gorgeous views, the gorgeous view, the background that I'm just seeing is just out of this world. It's really a very, very reflective moment for me, and it's really good, and I just feel I should share a little bit of it with you guys. This weekend, those of you who watch my series of videos on the detox retreat that I did in June, this is a different one. This is spiritual church, kind of church organized retreat, but we all still have, like this afternoon, we had the whole afternoon free to do our own thing. So we finished this afternoon with lunch. Lunchtime this afternoon, and people had opportunity to do craft, people have opportunity to do craft work, different things, while the young people were doing canoeing in the lake. Some people went swimming in the lake. Some of us went walking in the woodlands in groups. Some people went out of town. Bato is the name of the town where this retreat center is based. Ashburnham place. So I'll try and put the name on the screen where possible. Yes, some people went out to do one or two things to replenish those resources they are using to look after us. So yeah, it's really been a very, very restful time for me, restful weekend for me. I know some people might be wondering. Actually, I have to be honest with you guys. This retreating and detoxing, those are my kind of favorite kind of holidays. When the children were younger, I didn't mind doing activity-based holidays with them. But now that they are older, they have flew the nest. So it's time for me and hubby to enjoy the empty nest and just take time out to retreat. So yeah, it's really, or sometimes I do things by myself as well. I did the detox one I did by myself because it's not really my husband's kind of thing. So obviously, this is what I keep try to talk about on my channel, that you can do things together as a couple. Even if you are single, you can do things together with your friends, but also find things that you just like to do by yourself. Or just if you are one of those who don't like traveling solo, like this one organized by the church, we just come along and you don't really have to stress or do anything. You just have your 3-course meal cooked for you and other snack and activities in between, and you can sit in the whole prayer garden like this I'm doing right now, just chill and just do your own thing. What can be better than that? So yes, I just hope you guys enjoy this video. And one good thing about this retreat is the fact that there's very limited network service. So even those who have your telephone network service is very limited. They have Wi-Fi, so if you really want to use the Wi-Fi, you have a free Wi-Fi, but you can't really access it in everywhere. Many places you have specific areas you can't access it. So that's actually good for me because I didn't have to watch too much YouTube videos or too many other social media stuff that would have usually get me very busy at the weekend. And it's also a time to retreat from all of those busyness as well, and just to find a time to reflect and just refuel. So I hope you all will enjoy this video as much as I did recording it, and obviously the clips of the woodland and the walks and other things I will share with you as much as possible. So thank you for listening. I hope some of you can hear the birds singing in the background. That's my kind of thing. Yeah, if you did notice the birds singing at the background, let me know. I can see some of them flying around actually. you guys.